So in today's video, I'm going to speak about what you should do during your first trimester of pregnancy. If you are new to this channel, I'm Tanushri. I create travel, music and lifestyle videos, and also recently I have added another content in my channel, that is parenting tips, but also I will be speaking about phases of pregnancy, parenting tips and the baby care. So the first and foremost thing that you have to do is to start searching for your healthcare provider. You should talk to your friends, to your relatives, or probably search online for the recommendations and prioritize your needs and go and select your healthcare provider, because during 9 months you will not change your healthcare providers every month or every 3-4 months. It is not recommended. You have to stay with the same healthcare provider during your pregnancy so that you have a bond and you are able to really convey what you want to, and the doctor is well aware of everything that you are going through in your body. So yes, the first and foremost thing is to choose a healthcare provider wisely and then stick with the same healthcare provider during your 9 months of pregnancy. So the second thing is, when you start your checkups, routine checkups, when you go to the doctor will prescribe you folic acid, that is prenatal vitamin, which is very important to take every single day without forgetting, because this is very crucial for the baby's development, for your body to support everything that you're going through. So for sure every doctor recommends to have prenatal vitamins every single day. So yes, this is the second most important thing that you should do. You should take your vitamins every single day without forgetting. So the third thing is, if you are already into medication, check with your doctor if the medicines that you are taking is apt for the pregnancy. Some medicines are not recommended during pregnancy, so you will not want to take those medicines that might harm your baby and your health. So check with your doctor the medicines, if you are taking any medicines already, if you need to continue or you need to change those medicines. So it is very important. So the fourth thing is, eat well cooked food. Do not eat raw food, half processed food or anything which is raw, because it might create an infection or an allergy in your body. Because when you are pregnant, your skin is very sensitive. Your skin becomes very sensitive and your body becomes very sensitive to anything. It reacts very quickly to anything that you eat or anything that you apply on your body. So yes, make sure the food that you are eating is properly cooked, like well cooked. The fifth thing is, most of the women suffer from the food aversions, including myself. I was suffering from the food aversions. Because of that, I was not able to eat anything, because as soon as I was eating, I was puking. So yes, if you have this, try to eat in small quantities, because as soon as you will eat, you will vomit. So yes, try to eat in small proportions and eat the food that you like. Do not force yourself to eat something thinking that it is very nutritious and then after you will feel like puking. So make sure you eat something which you like. Make sure you eat healthy. Avoid eating outside food, at least during the first 3 months of pregnancy, because it is very crucial period. It is the period when the baby starts to develop and the organs of the baby starts to develop. So it is very important to eat healthy, well cooked and nutritious food. Okay, so the next thing is, if you are taking, like if you are a coffee lover, if you have a habit of taking like 4 or 5 cups of coffee, you have to decrease it to 1 or 2 small cups of coffee, because caffeine during the first 3 months is not very good. So that's why try to have 1 or 2 cups of coffee, and if you can avoid, just avoid at least for 3 months, first 3 months. So caffeine, if consumed in large quantities, is not very good for early pregnancy. So the next thing is, stock your kitchen with only healthy stuff, so that whenever you go to the kitchen, you're hungry, you will see something which is healthy that will go into your belly, and it will be very good for you and your baby. So yes, stock your kitchen with only healthy stuff. So the last thing that I recommend is try to take proper rest. If you are into a job which is very demanding, which is tiring, which is giving you a lot of pressure, I think you should talk to your manager or your boss to give you some time, at least during your first 3 months, to go take it easy, take it slow, prioritize things. If the job is too demanding, too tiring, and if you're traveling too much and taking a lot of pressure, it is not good for your health. So yes, it is very important during those 3 months to have proper rest. So these were some of the things that I was following, and I want everyone who is watching me also to be aware of these things, because it will prepare you for a healthy journey, for a healthy pregnancy, which is very important. So I'm trying to be consistent, and I'm trying to upload 3 videos a week, which will probably be on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, or Saturday, Friday or Saturday. So yes, I will be uploading different categories thrice a week. Yes, and so if you have watched till video till here, that means you like the content. So please do hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Also there's a notification bell. When you turn it on, you get notified on all my upcoming videos, so do it. And thank you so much for watching all my videos. I will see you guys in my next video.